Once again, I welcome you guys to the Make It Simple YouTube channel. This video is continuation to my previous video, which is learning about Python. If you didn't go through my previous video, just go through it and come back to this video. I have given the video link in the description section. In this video, I'm going to explain about comparison operator in Python. We use comparison operator in situations like where we want to compare a variable with a value. Let's get into the demo. So I have already created a file and I have some certain conditions to explain over here. And let's see it over here. And this is a condition like if a temperature is greater than 30, we can declare it like a hot day. Otherwise, if it is less than 30, 310, it's like kind of a cold day. Otherwise, it's neither hot or cold. Now what I want to do is like I want to convert these rules into a program with the help of the comparison operator. Let's get into the code. What I can do is like I just define a value like temperature equal to 30. Now what I can do is like if temperature is greater than 30, I'm just giving the print value print of hot day like this. And similarly using else if temperature is less than 30, I'm just typing of print cold day like this. And in the else condition, print normal day like this. Yeah, that's it. Now what I can do is like I just execute the program. What will do is like it will check for the Python interpreter will evaluate the first condition, the temperature is 30, and it will use the comparison operator, and it will check with the value. If it is greater than 30 only, it will print over here. Otherwise, it will check for the next condition. Otherwise, it will execute for the normal day. Let's see. And I'm giving this condition comparison operator over here to run, and it is executing the normal day. Suppose if I am giving like 25 minutes, it will check with the value, and it is less than 30, so it will execute the cold day. So this is where we use our comparison operator. Now what we have here is like this is a kind of an expression, like because it's a piece of code that produces a value. I can say like accurately this is a Boolean expression. So if this is greater than this operator, and we also like other operators like greater than or equal to, like I can give greater than or equal to, or I can give less than and less than or equal to. Similarly, we can have this operator. There is one more operator called equality operator, which means double equal to. And note that it is different from the assignment operator. Assignment operator has only one equal sign. So if you use one equal sign over here, means immediately we'll be getting this red underline because this is simply an assignment statement, and we are changing it like kind of values over here. So we cannot give like this, and we can give this equality operator over here. And finally, we have one more operator called not equal operator, which means having the exclamation symbol before this equal sign. This is the kind of not equal operator. So in this session, comparison operator, we have seen about like what are the different types of comparison operator. We have like less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, equality operator, and not equal operator. So if you have any doubts on implementing this, kindly add it in the comment section. I'll be very happy to help you guys. Thank you all.